Hello friends, how are you all? Well, today we will talk about Planning Commission and 5-year plans theme. As by evaluating the few years examination questions, we have found that 5-year plans periods are asked and their themes in the respective 5-year plans period were asked. So it is very important video regarding your upcoming exams. So watch this video completely to take the benefit of this topic, this informative video. So let's start. The Planning Commission has been replaced by Niti Ayog, and 5-year plan was replaced by 3-year action plan from April 1, 2017. And Planning Commission was established in the year 1950, 15 March 1950, and it was dissolved in the year 2014, 17 August 2014, right? And after that, Niti Ayog take the responsibility of Planning Commission, and 3-year action plans were rolled out, launched in place of 5-year plan. The prime target of 5-year plan was development of agriculture, and the first 5-year plan was based on the model of Harrod-Domer model. This question, this is very important point in this 5-year plans topic. That is, the question is asked like on which basis the 5-year plan, first 5-year plan was made. So the answer is the first 5-year plan was based on the model of Harrod-Domer model. Next, the second 5-year plan was based on the model of PC Mahalanobis model, and the target of second 5-year plan was development of industry. Third 5-year plan is also known as Gadgil Yojana, and the year 1966 to 1969 was declared as planned holiday due to the China war. Okay, the next in fifth 5-year plan, the Garibi Hatao was slogan was given, and the fifth 5-year plan was launched by DP Dhar, but this plan was terminated due to the failure of fourth 5-year plan. Then rolling plan came, that is from 1978 to 1979. This rolling plan came into existence due to the termination of fifth 5-year plan, because the fifth 5-year plan could not complete its 5 years before its 1 year before the completion of its period. The rolling plan came in existence, and this rolling plan was from 1978 to 1979. Next, the sixth 5-year plan, the main target was poverty eradication and technological self-reliance. Reliance was the main theme, main target of sixth 5-year plan. So what is the main theme or main target of sixth 5-year plan? It was poverty eradication and technological self-reliance. Means the country wanted to be independent on technology basis. Seventh 5-year plan, in this plan for the first time private sector got the priority. Before seventh 5-year plan, only public sector units were given priority, and the government used to think and growth of only about public sector units. Now in this seventh 5-year plan, the priority was given to the private sector. Now next point is annual plan. From 1990 to 1992, for 2 years annual plans were made due to the volatile political situation. Eighth 5-year plan, the main target was human resource, education and public health was given the importance in eighth 5-year plan. In ninth 5-year plan the theme was growth, and growth with justice and equity was the main target of the ninth 5-year plan. 10th 5-year plan in the 10th 5-year plan, the most important thing was given was the growth of the economy, GDP and all. In 11th 5-year plan was faster, the theme was faster and more inclusive growth. And the last one was the 12th 5-year plan, and the main theme of this year plan was faster and more inclusive and sustainable growth of the country. This was the main theme, and this question is being asked time and again. And the thing is asked that what was the main theme of 12th 5-year plan. So the main theme of 12th 5-year plan was faster and more inclusive and sustainable growth. And this was the last 5-year plan. After that, the planning commission has been dissolved, and the Niti Ayog has took all the responsibilities, and they launched a 3-year action plan in place of 5-year plan. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be very helpful to you, and if you like the video, do subscribe it and keep watching. Thank you.